Hello, welcome. It's fair to say that the last few months have been tough for the Indian stock market. Market started correcting back in October and remained in downtrend up until earlier this month. While market appeared to have bottomed and Nifty has regained some of the lost ground, although it faltered on Friday when it fell back below its 200-day moving average, a level that I highlighted in my last video on Nifty 50 last weekend to be a key level. So while Nifty has regained some of the lost ground, Nifty IT sector has not done as well. In fact, while Nifty has reached 200-day moving average at least, Nifty IT sector is still well below its 50-day moving average. If you look at the sectoral performance of Nifty sectors for last 3 months, Nifty IT sits at the bottom, down 18%. Now that's a relative weakness, to put it politely. But it's not surprising. After all, an index is a representation of its components, and IT components have struggled. But something interesting happened last week, and that gave me hope. Nifty IT was the best performing sector last week. Now, is it a turnaround, or is it one of those sharp rallies that we often see in a downtrend? That we have to wait and see. But for now, let's dig deeper and let's analyze IT components, and we'll start with Wipro. So we are looking at the daily chart of Wipro, and as you can see, just 3 months ago, Wipro made a 52-week high. But that turned out to be a trap rather than an opportunity, and the stock has been in a downtrend since then. Sure, the whole market has seen its volatility, and sure, whole IT sector has been a laggard, but Nifty has been the worst performing stock among 5 IT stocks in Nifty 50. It is still trading below its 21-day exponential moving average. Infosys has similar story like Wipro. Nasty gap down on 7th, which turned out to be a bottom, at least in the short term. Weak recovery. It managed to actually reach 21-day exponential moving average, even though it could not close above it on Friday. TCS, again, same story. The only difference is it actually managed to close above its 21-day exponential moving average 2 times last week. Now we are looking at the daily chart for HCLTECH. Notice something different here. Unlike Wipro, Infosys, and TCS, recovery is strong. HCLTECH is not only above its 21-day exponential moving average, it's actually managed to close above its 50-day moving average. Now that's relative strength. It's also worth noting that HCLTECH gained nearly 10% last week, and it was the second best performing stock in Nifty 50. Just like HCLTECH, Tech Mahindra also exhibited strong decisive price action. Look at Friday's price action. When the market opened on Friday, within 5 minutes, the stock was trading below its 21-day exponential moving average. And then investors jumped in and not only brought it back in the positive, but it closed near the top of day's range. That's bullish. And that is not all. Last week, HCLTECH was the second best performing stock in Nifty 50. Guess which stock was the best performing stock? If you guessed Tech Mahindra, you'd be right. Tech Mahindra was the best performing stock, not just in IT sector, but in Nifty 50. Best among all Nifty 50 stocks. To me, that is a winner. To summarize, what a week it was for HCLTECH and Tech Mahindra. HCLTECH was the second best performing stock in Nifty 50 last week, and Tech Mahindra was the best performing stock. But keep in mind, both stocks belong to a sector that's been underperforming, and both stocks are way below their 200-day moving average. Until prices regain 200-day moving average and hold above it, the risk is higher. Caution is still the theme. If you found this analysis helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which IT stock you're watching closely. Thanks for watching.